Alright guys, so here I have a pocket knife today with me, and it's called Stanley Fatmax. So it's a UK based brand. So I'm not a knife guy, so I purely bought it for unboxing kind of thing. So it has good looks, you can see. It's a very stylish looking knife, and it has a little notch here, like you press this knot and then you can fold it, and to open it you just push this thing and it opens up. It's pretty nice. So here you have little braided thing going on, and it's a stainless steel, and this looks some kind of aluminum, or I don't know, some